no top water this morning, Willie?
Here, I've got a frog in my box.
Huh?
I've got a frog in my box. I might tie it on.
Going straight for the deep.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tie on deep in like 2 hours.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't tie up this other rod yet, so I'll put it on.
Yeah, I put a Texas rig on though.
That's always a good call.
Yeah.
I tied a drop shot for the first time in years.
That's what I caught on.
I hate this rig.
It was just hot and.
Let's see. Where's your line at, babe?
You can throw it.
Come on, turn that fucking hook around. I got him right in that tongue. How the fuck did that even stab that? He's bleeding.
God.
Don't bleed.
They're hitting topwater everywhere over here.
Yeah, they are.
There's a big one out that way. Holy smokes. Whoo! There's some big ones over there.
Get him, Willie. Get
They're
him.
way out there. See where that bird's at?
Yeah, I just saw that.
Nobody home. Where'd they go? Where'd they go?
Hey, go breathe. We got more.
Whoo, right next to you.
Maybe I should throw on one of those white ones.
Yeah, do it.
Do it. I would do it.
But it sucks though, because they're kind of like light, and so I can't really get them out there.
Put it on your spinner.
I don't want to fucking take that whole worm shit off. Whopper, whopper, whopper.
I need to go fish next to Joe. He's smoking them.
Thanks. Thanks.
They're all small though.
No, my last
They're all like this big.
what I get.
What are you doing? Catching bait?
Losers.
Yeah, Tiff with a nice one.
Holy shit.
Good job, babe. What do you got on the scale?
Woo! Dang. Hold on.
Smoked that underspin.
It's like 2.
Nice.
Holy shit. I want to get a picture with him. Can you get your phone out,
Yeah.
please? Look at barely.
I know, right in the side of the lip.
Hey, are those the ones that walk on the water? Bird?
I think so.
See them at Loveland
Yeah.
when you used to be able to go there.
It's open back up now.
It did open up.
Yeah. Yeah, we drove by there the other weekend. It was open.
Nice.
It was closed for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
That was one of the last to open back up. You take your time with him. He's big. Oh yeah.
It's like two
Mr.
pounds.
Joe's got a big one on.
It's like a 2-pounder.
2. Shit. Did you see that thing come out of the water?
Yeah, I don't want to see him do
Listen
it again
and rip
either.
that drag. We gotta see this thing.
Yeah, you just keep.
Trying not to get too close to you, but I don't want to
Yeah, I don't
get you
wanna-
on the film. No cursing now. Gotta put you on the internet.
Anyway. It's for home video.
There's a leaf in my shirt poking me.
Watch
in
out,
the
Tid. Watch out. Watch out.
What?
Yeah, yeah. This is real.
Screaming
Buttery
drag.
smooth. Don't come on, man. You see color. Slugs. That was tight. Look at that thing, dude.
Yeah. Now that's a nice.
Dude. That sucker's fucking healthy.
Hell yeah. Good job, bud.
You want to weigh him?
You know what? Let me get
Here.
a picture before I
Oh,
weigh him. In case he jumps off
sorry.
the scale. Sick, guys.